Experience Mini, the world's first wall-mounted washer-dryer combo. Mini's simple but unique design and compact size becomes a sophisticated interior by itself. Mini's washer-dryer combination in one body will be the best choice ever. A space-saving, innovative wall-mounted design offers enhanced space efficiency. Mini will perfectly fit into any places of your preference. No more worries about laundry piling up. Complete your daily laundry from wash to dry swiftly in one queue and keep the indoor air fresh. You can wash tomorrow's outfit in 15 minutes and also dry it in 59 minutes. Save your time and energy with Mini. Mini takes special care of your baby clothes as well. With hot water set to 95 degrees Celsius, Mini sterilizes fabrics and removes tough stains away. The Clean Jet Shower effectively removes the last trace of soap, and Tub Clean Course will clear away the detergent residue in the inner drum. All these features are Mini's considerable affection for your baby's sensitive skin. Mini's brilliant emerald drum gently yet powerfully washes your clothes without damaging them. Wash your delicate and sensitive clothes just as if hand-washed, and take care of organic fabrics with an exclusive course. Also, remove unpleasant odor of clothes with the Air Refresh function. Keep your clothes fresh and new every day with Mini. The powerful washing performance of Mini comes from dynamic inverter motor, which boasts high reliability and durability with 12-year warranty. Wash in peace with less noise and vibration with more energy efficiency. Mini always considers users first. From large detergent case, simple touch display, convenient door open, to time delay function, Mini's technology is evolving constantly. Upgrade your lifestyle with Mini. One wash, one dry, one time. Mini.